Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, Hole, and Path Array. This is the exercise for today. To create this 3D solid part, we used different workbenches and their tools. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD Workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. Here are the steps and the dimensions for this drawing. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 profile on XY plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Sketch the first circle with a radius of 35 mm at the origin. Sketch the second circle on the horizontal axis and in distance of 90 mm. Now, sketch the two curves with a radius of 92 and 185 mm. Then constrain the curves tangential to the circles. Remove unnecessary curves with the Trim tool. The outer geometry is full constrained. Now, create the inner geometry with the offset of 11 mm. Trim unnecessary curves with the Trim tool. Let us add a fillet to the corners. Set the two fillets to equal. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 10 mm. In step 2, we sketch the cylindrical profile on the top surface and then extrude it by 10 millimeters. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 10 millimeters. In step 3, we remove material from the created part with the help of Pocket tool. Select the top surface of the cylinder and then activate the Sketch tool. Remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 4, we create the holes by using part design and draft workbenches. To create these holes, we need to sketches means the path and the profile. The distance between the path sketch and the outer contour is 5.5 millimeters. The procedure and the steps to create the path profile is the same as the outer profile. Trim unnecessary curves. The first sketch is ready. Now, we sketch the circle profile at the origin. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Now, switch to Draft Workbench. Select the two sketches and then activate the Array Path tool. Now, we change the number of circles from 4 to 20. As you see, we have 20 circles along the path sketch. To create the holes, we need to switch to the Part Design workbench. Move first the created array path to the active body. Now select the base feature and then activate the Hole tool. Set the head type the option countersink. And also set the head and the length parameters according to the drawing. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.